Good morning, everyone. This is what I eat in a day. It's been a minute since my last one, and I felt like today was a good day to film one because I'm feeling kind of out of it, like mentally, physically. I'm not at my best right now. So I'm trying to eat all my quickest, easiest foods to make today. Classic college vibe. So today I'm trying to eat all my favorite easy meals because I'm not in the mood to be slaving over the kitchen and trying to figure out weird things to eat. So now it's time to start our very late breakfast. So let's head into the kitchen. Let's get cracking on this breakfast, no pun intended. Vegan egg, cracking. Anyways, today I'm making my classic breakfast because I do not have the brain capacity to think of anything else right now. We got the pan here, tiny splash of olive oil, and then I have this mix of potatoes, onions, and peppers. Let them get a bit brown, and then I season them with this. And then I rip up some of these tofurkey meat slices for some extra protein. And then you pour your just egg over the top. And then you cover it. And then you cover it for a couple minutes. And then you cover it for a couple minutes. What the heck? And then you cover it for a couple minutes. When it seems pretty cooked, you're gonna try and flip it. We'll see how this goes. This is the ugly side. Let's flip it. See, that looks more like a regular omelet. Yay. Yes. Oh, got the waffle. Look at my breakfast. Got the whole breakfast here. Let's go eat outside. Yup, got the breakfast. That is my roommate's surfboards. Oh my goodness, splendid breakfast. So quick and easy. It's quite windy and cold, sorry if it's loud. We ran out of ketchup, so I'm using freaking packets. Oh, it's just a beautiful day out. Blue sky, 60 degrees. Let's take a look at this breakfast, shall we? I'm gonna start with the omelet. So the plan for today is... Is it raining? It literally hasn't rained here since I arrived in August. And it's gonna rain the one time I'm filming outside. Okay. Just kidding, that's totally fine, Mother Nature. A dream is a wish your heart makes. And my heart is wishing to eat this omelet. I eat this literally every day for breakfast. Never gets old. None of you should ever skimp out on breakfast. Eating a good meal that fills you up kickstarts your metabolism for the day, gives you fuel, most important meal of the day. Come on, it makes me so sad when people eat tiny breakfasts. Please don't do that. Now it's waffle time. Let's get it. Real maple syrup. Can you tell I'm from the Northeast? Just kidding. I like a lot of syrup. I'm trying to fill all of the holes. It's a chocolate chip waffle. Toaster waffles always bring me a weird kind of nostalgia because all through high school and middle school, when I would take the bus to school in the morning, my mom would give me and Ashley and Andrew toaster waffles in a plastic bag covered in maple syrup, and we would eat it out of the plastic bag on the bus, and we were all like so tired. So for like 6 years straight, I ate toaster waffles out of a plastic bag every morning, and it was usually the Trader Joe's gluten-free waffle, so now I like never want to eat those again. This is a different kind of waffle, but still makes me feel weird. It's such a weird, specific feeling to grip the sticky waffle with two hands on the bus while you're like falling asleep for 6 years straight. How is that my life? I don't know. That always makes me feel so weird to think about. That is so funny to me. Me and Ashley always talk about that. Obviously, I'm thankful for my mom making breakfast every day. It just gives me this weird nostalgia. Like on TikTok, when people see like those weird old bedroom photos that are like kind of creepy but kind of nostalgic, that's how eating a sticky waffle with both hands makes me feel. I'm pretty sure only me and Ashley and Andrew will get that, but just wanted to share that with you guys. Cleared my plate. Now I think I have the rest of the day mostly kind of planned out in my head for what I'm gonna eat. Right now I have to go to the grocery store really quick just to pick up a couple things, and then I'm gonna try out a vegan place that people were commenting on my last video telling me to try out. So I'm gonna do it today, and I'm super excited to try it out. It looks crazy. But for now, let's go to the grocery store. Hello, I just got out of Ralph's. Truly had a blast in there. I love how they are always playing Lady Gaga and Miley Cyrus. We've got a very brief haul, only 3 items. We have organic ketchup, orange juice to hopefully make me feel better, high pulp, you know the vibe, and then some papier de toilette. I wonder what it's actually called in French. I just made that up. And that's it! And now I have to drive 20 minutes to this food place. I think it'll be worth it though. It seems crazy. I've seen it on TikTok, so I'm gonna get driving. What the heck? That looks crazy. That looks so funny. Full vegan fast food place with a drive-thru and everything. I ordered my food on their website though, so I'm gonna run inside to pick it up. I'm about to enter this establishment. Bruh. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm gonna drive really quick. And yeah, I'll let you use me from the day that we first met. Yep, it's crazy how Fool's Gold by One Direction has the power to literally break me within 1 minute. It's not just insane. Anyways, I was sitting in my car here for like 30 minutes waiting for them to like text me or give me some update that my food was ready. So eventually I just walked in. I was like, I have an order for Amber. And they're like, oh yeah, right here. I was like, so I could have walked in like half an hour ago. Oh well. What do we have on the menu today? So this place, Plant Power, is like the first all vegan fast food place. They have a drive-thru and everything. Their menu is crazy. And so today I decided to go wild. And they have a bunch of locations around SoCal. So first up on the menu, we've got this coffee milkshake, which I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. I haven't had a milkshake in like 5 years, let alone a coffee milkshake. That sounds like a dream to me. Then I just got regular fries. Not really sure why. I think it's just because I wanted something to dip in honey mustard. I don't know. I'm just kind of crazy. And then finally, the star of the show, we have a Fortnite burger. Just kidding. It's not a Fortnite burger. I tried to make a joke like Andrew would. Andrew always calls burgers Fortnite burgers. This is called their iconic burger. So it's more than just a regular burger. It's quite iconic. It has like caramelized onions and their secret sauce and stuff on it. But I replaced the beef burger with a chicken burger because I don't really like eating Impossible burgers. I feel like I've had too many of them in my lifetime. So I got a chicken one instead. And I am so ready to tuck in, as they say in England. Or is it Australia? That's definitely Australia. It could be both. Oh my god. Okay. Bruh. Here we got our crispy chicken iconic burger. I think this is gonna be the first thing I try. Oh my god, that's like that one Vine of Gavin where he sticks his nose on the things. Do you know the Vine? I hope I can find it and include it.
Whoa, whoa, buddy, no drugs.
Anyways, guys, first bite, let's go. Oh, that is superb. Wow, what the heck? Wow. It literally just tastes like fast food, but like good fast food. I feel like this is what a Popeye's chicken sandwich used to taste like. Wow, they really did. How do they have the fast food flavor? I wish my mom could eat this. My mom loved fried chicken sandwiches. Next time Ashley visits me, I'm gonna bring her here. This is so strange. This is so crazy to me. Oh, it's like dripping. I don't have any napkins. Coating got me dripping. Now it's time to dip it a fry in the honey mustard. I don't even usually eat fries with honey mustard. I just wanted honey mustard. Their honey mustard literally tastes like deviled eggs. Yeah, why does that just taste like deviled eggs? I don't even mind though. And now, this is what I'm so excited for. This freaking milkshake. Oh, explode on the top. I'm gonna taste it.
Bruh.
Oh my god! That does, it is so sweet and good. I literally cannot tell you how good, yup. And I almost got a chocolate milkshake. Thank god I got a coffee one. Oh, this is just superb. Well, that was a crazy experience. Here's my ratings of everything. The crispy chicken iconic burger, 9.8. The coffee milkshake, 9.9. The honey mustard, 7 out of 10. The fries, 3 out of 10. These were soggy and felt very greasy. But everything else was so good. Oh my goodness. I wish this place was closer to where I live. I had to drive like 25 minutes to get here. But I'm excited to come back here again. This was crazy. This was a fun lunch. Obviously did not require me cooking, which was nice because I'm feeling pretty lazy today. Just trying to eat easy and quick. I'm gonna drive home and eat the rest of this and then we'll see what I do for the rest of the day.
Mais je le connais aussi bien que la Nouvelle-Orléans. Tu devrais peut-être aller aux Antilles visiter la Guadeloupe.
Alright ladies and bras, it is dinner time and I'm about to show you how I do quick and easy college dinner when I'm feeling lazy AF. Today we are making a meal from Green Chef, which is something I'm newly obsessed with. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company and they have meal plans for everyone no matter your lifestyle. So if you're vegan, vegetarian, paleo, keto, they have a bunch of meals for you. So I'm vegan obviously and I get to pick out a bunch of vegan meals from them. I've talked about how bad I am at planning meals in this apartment in previous videos and I've been using Green Chef for the past few weeks now and I am am honestly loving it. So your meals get sent right to your door in a box with ice packs in it so that your food stays nice and cold and fresh. And each meal comes with the recipes written out and they're super easy to follow. Each meal has perfectly portioned ingredients so there's no excess food waste after you're done cooking. Because I know in college when I buy like fresh fruits and vegetables, I usually let them go bad before I use them all because there's just like too much, or I don't know, I'm just bad at planning my food. So with this, it is perfect because you just use the ingredients and there's no leftover waste. They have a wide variety of organic ingredients and the meals are just so fun to make, especially like with my roommates when we're all free. We all get to cook together and get in the kitchen. It's just a very nice experience. So if you guys want to try it out too, you guys can go to greenchef.us/amber90 and use code amber90 to get $90 off your first box, and that includes free shipping. This is the one we're making tonight. That looks so freaking good. So we're gonna get crack-a-lackin'. So here's our ingredients for our meal. Now I just have to chop my veggies. Fennel in the pan. Look how big this Swiss chard is. It's like twice the size of my head. Oh, chopped up mushrooms. Corn, walnuts. Look at how much it gives me. I get to eat leftovers. Perfect. Now we got our dairy-free basil pesto to drizzle on top. Ooh. Okay, now for the first real bite. The complexity of the flavors. And all I did was chop vegetables and boil pasta. That's literally it. And this is definitely the cleanest and healthiest thing I ate today. And I get to pour a bowl for my roommate now. We get to have dinner together. No problem. I give you this little bowl.
Oh, thank you. It's so cute.
Yeah. It's basil pasta.
Oh, it looks good.
Thanks, Mom. No problem.
Which one did you do?
I did that one today.
Okay.
And then these ones are left. So we can do them another time.
I can help you next time.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Amber's my mom today.
Yeah. Alrighty guys, for dessert I'm going a little crazy. I'm gonna do some baking kind of. I love homemade Rice Krispie treats. And I have the ingredients right here. So I'm gonna show you how I make them. A couple tablespoons of vegan butter. And this is all over pretty low heat. Vegan marshmallows. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, it's burning, oh, it's burning. This is not good. Oh, what the heck am I doing? I'm all sweaty and this bowl's too small. Oh, this is a disaster. Ugly. Alrighty guys, I believe that's it for my day of eating. Thank you so much for joining me today. We surely did try a bunch of new things, like the vegan fast food. I tried out burning stuff in my kitchen and making a mess with my Rice Krispie treats. That was wonderful. Anyways, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'd be glad to make them. And yeah, I believe that is all. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you'll have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.